Please make me enable to share the screen.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Okay. So I was discussing about the importance of the oceans. So these are the 4 different points. No doubt, apart from these, there are some other points, right? What not the ocean is giving you, right? So there are again some of the resources which we are draining, which we are extracting by ocean. So there are such many of the features are there, then why we should not study the oceans? And just keeping in mind this particular importance of oceans, we uh, study the oceans, not only the continents. Now, okay. So as far as ocean is concerned, here you will come across two more. You will come across one more concept called ocean current, right? Which is called ocean current. So basically, before going to ocean current, you can understand what is the current. And I guess now, at this moment or by this particular time, you must be knowing the definition of current. So anybody who can tell the definition of current, or what do you understand by the current? Any one of you? Nobody? Nobody? अरे मी सांगितले एक दोन वेळेला अकॅडमी मध्ये द रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्जेस इज नोन ॲज करंट. आता इथं इथं तर दिस इज ओशियन, ठीक आहे. हे आपल्याला हे याच्यातून तुम्हाला डिफाईन करायचंय, राईट? द टर्म कॉल्ड ओशियन करंट्स. आता समुद्रात काय होणार आहे? समुद्रात चार्जेस तर नाही आहेत, बरोबर आहे. So as far as light is concerned or the power is concerned, therein you do have a transfer of charge, movement of charge, which is called rate of time, rate of flow of charges with respect to time is called as current. इथं काय असेल? इथं जे काय होईल ते पाणीच असणार आहे, right? So the flow of large amount of water in a definite direction, because current is also having a definite direction. Fine. So here the flow of large amount of water in a definite direction with a great intensity is known as ocean current, is known as ocean current. So that is what the definition of ocean current is. So what is the ocean current? Ocean current is the rate of flow of large amount of water with a great intensity, which is known as ocean current. And these ocean currents are of two types. One is called hot ocean currents, another is called as cold ocean currents. Next question comes in that what is this hot current, ocean current, and cold ocean current, that you can consider. So the hot ocean current can be the current flowing from tropical zones to lower latitudes, tropical zones of lower latitudes to higher temperature and subpolar zones. So such kind of currents or such kind of flow of water is known as hot water current or hot currents. Okay. So rate the flow of water in a direction with a high intensity is known as current. हे आपल्याला माहिती, किंवा त्याला आपण ओशियन करंट म्हणतो, हे आपल्याला तर माहिती आहे. After this, if you further consider now the different region where you do have a tropical zone of lower latitude. So from this tropical zone of lower latitude, if the current flows or the water flows to higher temperature and subpolar zone, right, to higher temperature and subpolar zone, then such kind of flow of current is known as hot current. ही झाली हॉट करंटची डेफिनेशन. कोल्ड करंट मध्ये काय असेल, याच्या विरुद्ध असेल. So the water flowing or the currents flowing from higher latitudes to lower latitudes are known as cold water currents. आता इथे प्रश्न येतो की लॉटिट्यूड काय, लॅटिट्यूड आणि त्याचे काही अर्थ लॅटिट्यूड आणि लॉंजिट्यूड आहे, ते पण तुम्हाला माहित असणं आवश्यक आहे. फाईन, ते आपण बघणार आहे. But at this moment, you can at least keep in mind the rate of flow of water is called current, right? Or the flow of water in a particular direction with a very high intensity is known as current. And when such kind of water flows from lower latitude to higher latitude, then such currents are called as hot currents. Whereas when such a water flows from higher latitude to lower latitude, then such currents are called as cold currents. Here there is only one exception to the conduction of ocean currents, that found in the Indian Ocean, right, which are exceptionally different than currents in other oceans. So to flow the currents, to flow of the flow of current changes we in the ocean, Indian Ocean, change with a change in the direction of the monsoon winds. म्हणून आपल्याकडे बघा, right, समुद्रात कमी दाबाचा पट्टा निर्माण झाला, हे झालं ते झालं, आपण सातत्याने ऐकत असतो. Usually we do hear these things. ठीक आहे. So that is the point which is exceptional as far as these currents are concerned. So hot currents flow towards cooler oceans and the cold currents always flow towards warm oceans. And this is true everywhere, right? Not only in the ocean currents, but also in the if you consider the example of heat. So there again you will be having this kind of thing. Now, as I said, exceptionally different means what? Then there will be different currents for different oceans. Yes, there are different currents for different oceans. As far as Indian Ocean currents are concerned, you will be having north equatorial current, northeast monsoon current, Mozambique current, Somali current, Agulhas current, western Australian current, southwest monsoon current, South Indian Ocean current. Now, if you consider these many different types, then you will be having their different natures as well. So each of these current is having a certain kind of nature. For example, if I consider the Somali current, so the Somali current is warm in nature, right? So this is what you do have. There are only such 7-8 different types are there of Indian Ocean currents. But as far as Pacific Ocean current is concerned, there you will be finding out so many different types. And all these are depending on, keep in mind, all these are depending on the tropical area or let's say different surfaces. बरोबर आहे की नाही? जसं आपण इथं नॉर्थ ईस्ट मान्सून करंट म्हणतोय किंवा साऊथ वेस्ट मान्सून करंट म्हणतोय, किंवा नॉर्थ इक्वॅटोरियल करंट म्हणतोय किंवा साऊथ इंडियन ओशियन करंट म्हणतोय. कशामध्ये? इन इंडियन ओशियन करंट्स. तसं पॅसिफिक ओशियन करंट्स मध्ये आपण हे सगळं म्हणतोय. राईट. सो दॅट आय विल show you in the next session along with the latitude and longitude as well. कारण त्याच्याशिवाय ही गोष्ट लक्षात येणार नाही. So on the earth, I don't know whether you have studied this earlier or not, but you can consider these things, right, as a part of this particular session. Okay, so I have done with this. If anybody wants to know anything, you can. Okay, if nothing else, then I will quit this meeting. Thank you, everyone.